There's the bird lady of, I'm taping. Here's Calvin who wants to eat them. Hi, Calvie. And then here we go, Haley's got one. Haley's that fun? You having a good time? What are you feeding?
Lorikeets.
Uh-huh. He's licking that dry. That's awesome. Oh, that's cool.
He's licking my hand.
He's licking your hand. And there's Daddy and Calvie.
No touch. He's looking for more inside your sleeve. Look at that long tongue they have.
Daddy.
Yeah, we don't touch them. Don't touch their eyes. Did Calvin just get pooped on the head because he's holding his head?
Maybe.
Look at this. Here's Dellie's got like a bird family here. This is amazing. I mean, they won't leave. You seriously might be a bird lady. Now they know you're out and they're like, later. Look, he's trying to get...
My toe.
Wait, one is eating Daddy's toe.
My toe.
Oh, I just got a shot of Haley's crack.
Look at him, he's trying to get my shoe.
Oh, because he probably tastes your beer that I spilled on you earlier. Oh.
No.
What do you think? Is it the beer you spilled or did you spill some food? Bye-bye, guy. This is so funny.
I can move away. I didn't want to hurt him.
What is it? Did maybe some food dropped on you when Haley spilled?
I don't know.
That's funny.